Hi, this is Kerry Decker, and I've got something interesting for you. We're going to learn how to hook up a hard drive to your digital video recorder. Hi, this is Kerry Decker, and I thought I'd share something interesting with you. As you may know, the digital video recorder is a relatively new device which is being supplied by many of the cable companies, satellite companies, and whatnot. You can rent these and everything from these companies for a very nominal fee. And in a lot of ways, it's replaced the video recorder because you can record all of your television programs very easily. You can pause live broadcasts and all of that, which you're probably familiar with. But you may not know that you can, on some of these models, you can actually hook up an external hard drive and be able to do a lot of extra recording and expand what your original DVR is like. Now, what we're going to be dealing with in this short little informational video is the one that I'm familiar with here, and it's by Scientific Atlanta, and it is the Explorer Series 8300. And that is one that will work with an external hard drive. So you might want to check and see on your own machine if it's compatible or not. And one of the most important things is, if you look very closely on the back of your DVR, is where you have your inputs and outputs. As you look across, of course, you have the cable in, cable out. And then, of course, you have all of your inputs and outputs for audio, video. And as we go across, you'll see the super video. And you go a little bit further, and you'll see another socket with SATA, SATA, all right? And this is where an external hard drive can plug into your machine and give you a lot of extra time and everything. So this is something which is very interesting, that for people who like to record an awful lot and everything, that's what you need on the back of your DVR. Now, also, of course, is an external hard drive, and there's quite a few of these that you can get, which will definitely work with your DVR. Some of the compatible hard drives include the Western Digital MyBook Home Edition series and the Seagate Free Agent Pro series. Western Digital also makes one that's specifically for DVR storage. Seagate plans to release a similar product later in 2008. Now, you can also get the cables and everything. CompUSA, places like that, if you have one in your area, check your Radio Shack or whatever, will give you a cord and the one that will connect between the hard drive and your DVR. So this makes it very interesting and very easy to use. Okay, to start off, we're going to have to note the amount of space or running time on your DVR and write it down, just so you'll know. All right, turn the DVR completely off and unplug it. Connect the power cord to your external hard drive and plug it in. Now, don't plug it into like a power strip or something that can be accidentally turned off. So if possible, plug the drive into like an uninterruptible power supply, one of those UPSs, and then connect the hard drive to the SATA port on the back of your DVR using the cable. And then plug the DVR in and let it finish booting up, and then turn it on. Now, if you get a message that your hard drive needs to be reformatted, follow the directions and reformat the drive. Check the capacity gauge on your DVR. Now, if there's more room that's available than you had before, then the drive is working and set to go. But if not, you may have to shut it down and start over again. The next time you record a show, it'll be saved to whatever device has more room available, be it the external hard drive or the DVR itself. You can't choose where you're going to save the show. Now, don't unplug or disconnect the hard drive without unplugging the DVR first. Now, you can't unplug your hard drive and hook it up to another DVR computer to watch the recorded shows. Now, if you get a new DVR box, you can reformat your hard drive to work on the new box. But again, you'll lose all of the shows that you've recorded with your old DVR. So like other hard drives, it's possible that you will lose your data, or in this case, the recorded shows which you have saved. Okay, so it's really not a very hard process to be able to plug your hard drive, take the cord, plug it into the back of your DVR, and depending on what size your hard drive is, you'll be able to get a lot more programming onto your drive without having to open the box and go in and cause any problem with your cable or satellite company. All right, I hope this is a good first step, and I hope you'll look into doing this. I think you're really going to enjoy it. So, this is Kerry Decker thanking you for your time. This time, until next time, we'll see you again real soon.